ka ng computer and you wanna start working from home, next step is for you to identify anong service ang i-offer mo at anong industry ang isa-service mo. You can do admin, creatives, tech, support, and sales. Kagaya kayo ni RR na meron ng computer at ready na talaga mag-start, kailangan na lang ay mag-guide, then our team might be able to help you out. Kung ikaw ay zero experience, halimbawa ikaw ay stay-at-home mom at gusto mo nang tumulong sa asawa mo sa finances, estudyante tapos gusto mo na sanang maging mas independent, or may corporate job ka na 9 to 5, you're looking for a side hustle, or kayo ay currently nag-work sa BPO at naranasan yung mag-work from home, so you're kind of hoping na pwedeng permanente na talagang sa bahay na lang kayo magtatrabaho. We already helped thousands of mentees. Most of them are able to find clients within 2 to 3 months from the time na nag-train sila sa amin. Join na kayo sa top VIP class. Isang fee lang ang babayaran nyo sa loob ng isang taon. You can attend any of our classes for free. You can even bring a classmate. 1,999 pesos lang to. At again, 1 year, 1 fee, 1 goal. That goal is before end of the year, marunong ka ng mag-freelancing. To join, just click the link in my bio and click top VIP.